Hello everyone, welcome back to Shortcode. In this video I am going to be teaching you about the enumerate statement in Python and how to use it. And this is the third video in the Python Advanced series, and by the end of this video you will have a great understanding of the enumerate statement. By the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Caleb Shaw and I post loads of awesome Python tutorials and other computer related stuff. So if you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe. Now let's get right into it. So this is quite a simple concept to grasp, but it didn't really fit in with the beginner or object-oriented programming series. But anyway, the enumerate statement is used within loops to get the index of the item in a list, as well as the value of the item in the list. So if I just create a for loop that iterates through a list, so let's just create my list equals, okay, and now we do for I in range len my list print I, and then you do my list I, and you can see that gets a 0 hello, 1 there, 2 Caleb, 3 Shaw. Now this is quite an awkward way of doing it because you have to get range len and then my list. So it works, but it isn't very clean. So let's bring in the enumerate statement. Instead we should do for I, v in enumerate my list print I v, and we'll get the exact same result, and it's a lot cleaner, as you can see. So in this loop, I is equal to the index in the item of the list as usual, but this v value is equal to the value of the item in the list. And the enumerate function allows us to get both the index and the value. And by the way, they don't have to be called I and v, they can be called whatever you want, but it's just convention to call them I for index and v for value. And then we're just printing IV. Now we can also create dictionaries from the enumerate statement, because enumerate just returns a tuple of the index and the value. So if we do my dict equals dict, we're building a dictionary, enumerate my list, not my dict, my list, there we go. And then if we print my dict, save it and run it, we get 0 hello, 1 there, 2 Caleb, 3 Shaw. We can do this because enumerate returns a tuple of first the index, which you can see here, and the value, which is here, and then it's building a dictionary from those tuples, and the first value is a key, and the second value is the value of the dictionary. And you don't have to use enumerate on lists, you can use them on dictionaries, lists, tuples, sets, any collection type. So that's pretty much it for enumerate. I know it was quite a simple thing to learn, but it is very useful and you'll use it often. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. I always reply to you guys. If you would like to support me, be sure to drop a like on the video, it really does help me out. Also, if this is your first time here, I post Python tutorials every day, so if you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe. That's it from me, cheers and goodbye.